from male to female in 5 minutes. Full cross-dressing transformation. Hi everybody. Hi everybody. Welcome back to the channel, where today I am going to show you how to go from male to female in just 5 minutes. This is actually a video that a lot of you guys have been asking for, so here it is. Now, of course, this is more for fun than for perfection. But 5 minutes won't give you a full professional finish. But it's amazing what you can do with a few quick tricks and the right prep. So let's jump right in. Prep is everything. So first, skin prep. Moisturizer and primer go on fast but make makeup smoother and last longer. No skipping this step. Then it's time for foundation. Use a full coverage stick foundation. It blends fast and hides beard shadow instantly. And don't forget a touch of blush and highlighter to bring life to the face. Use a full coverage stick foundation. It blends fast and hides the beard shadow instantly. Then a touch of blush and highlighter to bring life to the face. Eyes equals feminine focus. Skip complicated eye looks. One shimmer shade, a quick brow fill and mascara instantly open up your eyes. Pop on a wig cap, slide your wig into place and fluff it with your fingers. A side part can instantly soften the face. Choose an outfit that flatters your shape but is easy to slip into. Dresses are the fastest. One zip and done. And finally, accessories complete the look. Earrings, necklace, and a quick spritz of perfume. You're ready? Like and subscribe, comment below, and don't forget to ring the bell so you never miss a glow up. So if you've been following for a while, you know that I love a good transformation. I've done drag makeup, cosplay, Halloween looks, you name it. But recently, I've been really getting into cross-dressing. Now, before we get started, I want to say that cross-dressing isn't about looking like a woman or becoming a woman. It's about expressing yourself and exploring your gender identity in a fun and creative way. If that's something that you're interested in, then keep watching. Now, since we only have 5 minutes, we need to be strategic about our prep. That means no face chart and no fussing over finding the perfect products. We're going to use what we got and make it work. Let's start with step 1. Prep is everything. Skin prep is the most important step in any makeup routine, and that's especially true when you're transforming into someone else. First, grab your favorite moisturizer and apply it all over your face. Then take a primer and apply it to your forehead, cheeks, and chin. Primer creates a smooth surface for the makeup to go on, so it lasts longer and looks better. Pro tip, you can even apply the moisturizer and primer while you're brushing your teeth or washing your face. Multitasking is key when you're on a time crunch. Step 2. Makeup shortcuts. It's time to get those makeup shortcuts out and use them wisely. Start by applying a full coverage stick foundation all over your face. Stick foundations are great because they're really easy to blend and they usually have a creamy texture that doesn't cake on dry skin. Another great thing about stick foundations is that they're much easier to hide the beard area. Just apply a little extra foundation over your beard and blend it out well. For the blush, choose a shade that's slightly deeper than your natural skin tone and apply it to the apples of your cheeks. And don't forget the highlighter. Apply it to the tops of your cheekbones and down the bridge of your nose. Step 3. Eyes equals feminine focus. The eyes are the focal point of any makeup look, so it's important to spend a little extra time on them. But don't worry, we don't need to go full glam to achieve a feminine look. Start by applying a shimmery eyeshadow all over your eyelid. Then take a brow pencil and fill in your eyebrows. Be sure to keep it light and natural looking. Finally, apply 2 coats of mascara to your upper and lower lashes. And there you have it. Your eyes will look wide and inviting in just a few minutes. Step 4. Wig and hair tricks. Wigs are a great way to transform your look instantly, but they can also be a little bit tricky to put on properly. Don't worry though, I've got a few tricks up my sleeve. First, put on a wig cap and secure it with a tight elastic band. This will help keep your wig in place and prevent it from slipping off. Next, place the wig on your head and adjust it so that it's straight and level. You can use a comb to help you style the wig and make sure it looks natural. One of my favorite tricks is to fluff the wig out with my fingers. This helps create volume and texture and makes the wig look more realistic. If you're going for a softer look, try parting the wig to the side. This is an easy way to add some femininity to your overall appearance, and it only takes a few seconds. Step 5. Outfit swap. The perfect outfit can complete any transformation. Choose something that makes you feel confident and beautiful. And don't forget to zip it up. Time is of the essence. Dresses are always a safe bet. They're easy to put on and they look instantly feminine. Plus, with the weather getting warmer, you can choose a flowy summer dress. But if you're not comfortable wearing a dress, don't worry. You can also rock a feminine top with a skirt or pair of shorts. The key is to find something that fits well and makes you feel like $1,000,000. Step 6. Final touches. Almost there. It's time to add the finishing touches to your look. Put on your favorite earrings, necklace, and a light scarf. These small details will pull your entire look together and make you feel like a true fashionista. And don't forget the most important accessory of all, a confident smile. And there you have it, a full male to female transformation in 5 minutes flat. And now it's time for the big reveal. Are you ready? Here goes nothing. And there you have it, a full male to female transformation in 5 minutes flat. How do you like my look? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. It really helps me out and keeps me motivated to create more awesome content for you guys. Also, don't forget to comment below and tell me what you want to see next. I always respond to comments and I love interacting with you guys. That's it for me. Until next time, stay fabulous, stay creative, and above all, stay true to yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.